Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are in Dyer, Indiana today because Randy and I have come to pick up what I'm calling the Purple People Eater and drive this car back to Oklahoma. And I took 3 steps outside the front door and I found a problem right there. Monkey, Wrench, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
So Randy hasn't even seen the car yet. He hasn't even seen the car. This is our first impression, my first impression. Yeah, we thought we could just jump in here, drive it home. Yep, we're gonna jump in this car. We're gonna drive it all the way back to Oklahoma. How many miles is this? I have to walk around this huge puddle. 800 miles? Yep, we gotta walk all the way around it. And we're just gonna hop in here and take her home. And then we saw this. Ugh. Yikes. I think we need some air. I don't want to give a whole bunch away, but this is the car that's gonna get us home. This is our purple chariot to get us all the way back to Oklahoma City. I hope. And for the first time, Randy is taking a look at the car he just purchased. For how much money? How much money? How many monies for this?
$13,800.
Oh, okay. And your first impression?
Well, I see hail damage, which
Yeah.
I knew it had hail damage, but from where I'm standing, I can see a bit more hail damage than I was hoping, and I see a flat tire.
Uh-huh.
So I'm a little concerned.
Yeah.
It's missing a few parts. It looks like someone stole some stuff off of it, so that's...
Oh, since the listing?
No,
Oh,
no.
okay.
The headlight bezels, tail light bezels, emblem off the dash, the horn.
Mm-hmm. Maybe this guy has an air pump.
I bet he does.
You know what? Why don't you go sweet talking?
No, why don't Mike go sweet talking? Mike.
Yeah. Let me do what I do best. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. There she is. She runs. Question is, does she drive? One brake light is trying. That's a blinker. Okay. Well, the plan is to hop in, run to Walmart, get some supplies, and get on the road. Are we gonna make it? Is this the dumbest thing we've ever done? Is this dumber than the scamp? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Hail Mary, full of grace, Dominus Nabisco cookie. Here we go. Help us out. Okay, we made it inside the car. It's running. We've discovered we do have heat. That's good. We have seat belts. That's good. And we have drips. That's bad. Right on my left leg.
And right in my crotch.
And right in Randy's crotch.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a fun trip home.
Scamp 2.0. No
That's
wipers.
what we're calling the trip.
No
Scamp
wipers.
2.0.
Yeah, no wipers.
What about a defrost? I don't even know how.
I mean, it's not the fan isn't even hardly working. It's
Yeah. And the strip is gonna be
this is awful.
something. Okay.
No, it's still coming out of the vents. There's no defrost either, I don't think.
Oh well. We'll crack a window and freeze. Okay. But the headliner and stuff looks nice. The back seats look nice. I can curl up back there and sleep. Well, it's day 2. Look at Randy's face. It's been a day already. We just started today.
Just started.
Just started. We're missing a couple of creature comforts, I guess you could say, here in the car.
Yeah,
We're missing things like A defrost.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else are we missing?
Windshield wipers.
Windshield wipers.
Heat.
Heat.
Sealed windows so the rain stays out.
Sealed windshield so the rain stays out. Trunk that stays shut. And
Shocks.
shocks.
Shocks would be nice.
Yeah. A spare would be
Spare,
good.
Yeah.
Wheels that aren't wobbly. That would be great. Other than that, it's a wonderful trip.
Oh yeah.
All right, that's my view. No windshield wipers. We do have some fog. This anti-fog stuff, it kind of works. It sometimes doesn't work. We're getting into some traffic, so we've got to be careful here. The issue right here, that's the alternator.
And look when I turn the headlights on.
Oh, yeah, it
That's
goes
not too
way down. So sometimes we can use the heater, sometimes we can't. And the headlights, that's kind of a no-no. And with this kind of weather, yeah. It's going to be a trip.
Wow.
The plan right now, we're trying to get down to Springfield because we found an alternator, and we're going to put it on. We're going to charge the old battery, right?
Yeah.
See what the new battery's like. We'll try to get a spare, maybe?
Yeah.
We need a spare. And then things will be fine, and then we'll continue on the trip. Check out, look at the hood. This hood is huge.
Oh my gosh, this thing rides rough.
Let me brag on my work right here. Monkey Wrench Mike put the alternator in this old car. Randy put on the 2 wires, the 3 wires. Let her rip, Tater Chip. We have a thumbs up. $13.4.
Yeah, that needle is all the way.
Is it really? How'd we do?
Oh, excellent.
We fixed it.
Excellent.
Look at that.
Now what I want to do is I'm going to turn all the lights on and the heater. And
Okay.
let's see how many voltage start in.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the heater.
13.5. It, 13.75. 13.0.
13.0.
Yeah.
So you know the lights and everything.
12.9. Yeah.
Look how both the brights are on. Look how
Oh.
good the lights look.
Oh, that's like a whole new thing.
She's happy.
She is so much happier.
She's happy. We can have heat and headlights at the same time. Oh man.
We have made it to somewhere, Missouri. Somewhere by Six Flags, right?
By Joplin?
We're by Six Flags.
Yeah.
Six Flags, where's that?
Joplin.
Joplin?
I think.
Okay.
Or we're by Rolla. I don't know.
We're 80 miles
Rolla.
from Rolla. It's been a day.
Yeah, I don't know.
We're somewhere. But the car, can we show you the car? Look at this thing. Since we have the alternator working, we also went to have the tires balanced. They could balance this, and they could balance one over there. They couldn't balance the 2 on back. Their machine, it wouldn't fit. These little 14-inch tires, it wouldn't let them fit. And then the guy was kind enough to point out a couple of issues with the tires. 1, age. 2, cracking. Can you see that on the outer? Yep. These tires are older than the kid that was helping us at the Walmart. The tires are 1999. Let's party like it's 1999 and pray that we get home. Yikes. So what we're doing now is we've really only put gas in here twice, right? A little bit.
Yeah, and not much. We've got less than $100 of gas.
Wow. And we've gone a long, long way. So what we're going to do now is trying to figure out the gas mileage. Because this little engine here, 318, we think is getting good gas mileage, or we have a huge gas tank. One of the two, maybe both. But look at it. Gas tank looks new and it looks nice. Yeah, look at that. Okay. So we're going to do some arithmetic and figure out what our gas mileage is, and we're going to see just how good the Roadrunner is doing on the road. Well, we learned something. When she's full, she spits out all the rest. Okay? Yeah, she spits out the gas when she's full. This is what we've spent so far. $63, only 15 gallons of gas. And we've been driving this thing almost all day. She's getting some good gas mileage. And I'm still loving the stickers. How cool is that?
256 miles.
256.
Divided by 15. 17 miles a gallon.
Really?
17 miles a gallon, yeah.
Good car. And just like that, we have finished another video. What an epic trip. If you're counting, that makes 3 times Randy and I have driven hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles home in cars that are almost 50 years old. All 3 cars, the Buick, the Plymouth, and the Plymouth, were built in 1973. Yep, they all made it home. A-okay. Do I like them better than my S500? Nope, I still love my car. I still love these Mercedes. But Randy and I did do a lot of talking on the way home about like expanding our channels and how I can get more subscribers. And I do. I love each and every one of my subscribers. But I need to grow the channel because this is my source of income now. So I'm thinking about expanding to another brand of car, another mark. So what should it be? What do you guys want to see Mike bring home next? Should it be something like a Ford? Should it be a GMC? The Saab that I did was very, very popular. A Cadillac? Should I do a Caddy? Let me know what you think, and we will give it a big think right here in this old think tank. And maybe we will bring home something other than a Mercedes or a BMW. Who knows? But I want to say thanks to Randy because this was a really, really fun trip. It is now exactly 6:30 in the morning. People are getting ready to go to church here in Oklahoma. We started the road trip at about 10 o'clock yesterday morning. So that is what? 18 and a half hours? Yeah, including the time we spent in the parking lot changing the alternator, getting the tires balanced, visiting with his father, and of course stopping along the road to shoot all the videos for you guys. So Mike needs to sleep. I'm going to sleep about 27 hours. I just texted Randy. He was checking on me. He's already got the video ready to go. Mine's going to take a little while because I have to sleep. All right. If you're still awake, if I haven't put you to sleep with this journey, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Once again, let me know what you want to see Mike drag home next. All right. And with that, we're going to say goodbye, everybody. Thanks for watching.